Good morning from Hokitika on the west coast of the South Island of New Zealand. Where are you? Today we're going to be jade carving, and we just arrived at the beach. And there's a war bunker. Look how cool this is. Oh my god, there's an enemy! Right, let's take a look around Hokitika. So me and Fee are going with Jade. It's $190 each. And Fiona's going to do me a toki. And I'm going to do Fiona a kuru.
Yeah, we do have 10 plates if you want hearts or chalkies that shape.
I don't know which one I want to
Ovals
do.
and circles and teardrop shapes.
Oh, I like the teardrop.
So those are all yours. You can use those if you like.
Yeah, I think I'll need one of the simple designs.
Do you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
first timers.
Simple is better if you're first timer. Don't make it too small because that makes it harder.
Are you doing the hole in the middle?
You cut it out.
Trying.
No, because I didn't want one too big.
So we now have our cutouts ready to go.
So what I'm going to get you to do is go through this bin here and find yourselves a piece. When it's wet, it's what it's going to look like when it's finished, but a lot more shinier. And hey, that's me.
Yeah. video for my mum.
Oh, hi mum. He misses you.
How's yours going, Hara?
Not bad, not bad. Little hole.
Oh, that's ridiculous. You're a master. You're a master.
I don't think I can get it any shinier. Look at that. It looks well good.
This first part is going to be the top part. So you fold it like that, put it like that, and then you get the short string and you go from the top down to that.
I'm glad you're doing it and not me. So we just finished carving our jade, and now we're on the way to Hokitika Gorge. So it's like a 30-minute drive from the town. So we're just heading there now. See you there. Just arrived in the car park. The weather's got a bit melancholy, but it's setting the scene. It's all of a sudden got really eerie. This walk's so cool. The western side of the South Island of New Zealand is so much more tropical, should we say?
Beautiful.
We've got punga trees. It's really pretty.
Brilliant.
And it's funny, you go on the other side of Arthur's Pass, on the mountain, other side of the mountains, and then it's just all flat pasture land. But yeah, it's really cool. It reminds me of the North Island again. So this is the first suspension bridge. Only 20 people. Hi. Oh, we can get on. All right. Hello, mate. Oh, we'll let you go past. It's bouncy. Might bounce off.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, there's a glimpse of it there. Oh, it makes you want to go for a swim. That's so blue. This bridge is so bouncy. Hi. Oh, wow. That water is so blue. What the hell? Oh my God. I don't know if you can see it on the camera.
That looks so nice.
Yeah, that is so nice. I don't know where the actual end part of it goes, but
Oh.
we'll carry on down this path and see where we end up. Oh no, dead end. So you come to this, and they're actually doing some bridge maintenance on the other side. You turn around, and then you come this way. And this is the viewing platform. I'm hoping you can go down for a swim, but I don't see anyone swimming. And I think I can just see a sign there. What does that say? Strong undercurrents, no swimming. Right. Wow, what a view. I mean, it really sets the scene with the mist and the mountains behind as well. Wow. It'd be really great to have this place to yourself, but what can you do? Right, I thought I'd come down for a closer look. So that must be the bridge over there that's closed. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. This is so cool. So we're gonna finish the video here, and I want to thank all 9 of our new subscribers for subscribing and supporting this channel. We had to get out of there because the sandflies were rife. We're being eaten alive. But we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye bye.